341 PZD. 341 PZD just fucking rear-ended me. 341 PCD. Flow to plate. Three, four, one. 341 RZQ. 341 RZQ right there. Just rear-ended me. So that is the damage on their front of their vehicle. Holy shit. So yeah. Their car's fucked. I have not even a damaged bumper, but I have some paint going. Not even that. So, cool. So, I just checked the damage on my vehicle, and as you can see, they're still running. They're not going to pull over. I'm trying to pull over. I was going to pull this traffic center over here, but they're taking off on me. They rear-ended me. I got out that light. I got out behind them. I got out of my truck and checked the damage on my truck. My bumper is just a little bit scraped up. So, I don't care. They seem to be running, so I don't give a shit. I have no damage on my truck, but their front end is fucked. So, yeah. Truck for the win, I guess. And the thing I'm pissed off though is that I just replaced the bumper on my truck. Like, this is the new bumper I just put on this frickin' truck, man. I just got this bumper. And they're not stopping, so I don't care now. Alright, well, I'm just gonna go on my way then.